How to add your own WhatsApp number to your Instagram biography. Please be sure to follow the steps I will mention in this video. The first thing you need to do is go to your Instagram settings from this section. After that, you need to enter the account type and tools section. Right here, you are required to change your account type, and you absolutely must change it over to a business account, or in reality a creator account. You select that here, then go to edit profile and choose the contact options menu. You will see the WhatsApp option right there. It displays the number you installed and sends a code to it. Once you verify the code, the number will be added to your profile section.